Hi, what's up guys? Axel from How to Teach X Iceland here with a new video on words and phrases to use in day-to-day conversation with Icelanders. Oh, and gleðilegt nýtt ár everyone! Happy New Year! So, we already have one video on important words and phrases to use when you go to Iceland. Make sure to check it out here. The link is also in the description. Now, the following words were selected by me and are just a random collection of words that you might need on a regular basis when speaking Icelandic at some point. So some of them have already been talked about in other videos, so kind of see it as a repetition. First of all, talking about greetings. You can say hello, you can say halló. If you want to say good morning, you would say góðan daginn, góðan daginn. If you want to say good evening, then you would say gott kvöld, gott kvöld. If you want to say good night, you would say góða nótt, góða nótt. So another phrase if you just want to say goodbye or bye, it's very similar in Icelandic because you just say bye or bless. And I think we already did that in another video. You would say, if you really are or want to be Icelandic, you would double it. So you would say bye bye or bless bless. Another phrase, if you want to ask a person how they are, then you just say hvernig hefur þú það? Hvernig hefur þú það? As an answer, that one is new, you would probably say I'm well, and you? Then you would say ágætt, and þú? Now, the next phrase might be important for you as a tourist because at some point you probably go to a restaurant or you go into a shop, and as we know, Icelandic prices are high, so you might want to find out beforehand how much something is. So you could ask, how much is this in Icelandic? Hvað kostar þetta? Or hvað kostar þetta mikið? How much is it? Hvað kostar þetta mikið? Another big topic are the question words in general. So, for example, to ask where something is, you would say hvar. Hvar where is. If you want to ask about time, so when, you would say hvenær. Hvenær. Helps you with bus timetables or plane timetables or restaurant hours or whatever. Hvenær. I will do another video dedicated to question words soon, so stay tuned for that one if you're interested. Some more words to use in a restaurant because you want to order something at some point, I guess, or do you just want to sit there? So you could imagine just walking in a restaurant, sitting there, not ordering anything and leaving again. Don't do that in Iceland. Don't do that anywhere actually. Just order water, you know, be cheap. Icelandic water is great, by the way. You should not buy bottled water. You should drink the water from the tap. So tap water is healthy, tap water is clean. Tap water is actually called kranavatn. Fact, side note. Back to the words and phrases in a restaurant. The first thing you would probably ask is, could I get this? Could I get that? So you would say, gæti ég fengið? Gæti ég fengið? As this video is shot in 2022, there is a growing number of vegetarians or vegans, so it might also be important for you to ask or tell the waiter that you are vegetarian or vegan. So you might say, ég grænmetisæta or ég veganisti. Grænmetisæta veganisti. So, depends what the waiter is going to do. Maybe he's going to throw you out because they don't have anything that does not include meat. No, those times are over. I guess many restaurants in Iceland offer a vegetarian section and in some cases, I guess, also a vegan section. Think about your hometown, for example. How many restaurants offer vegan options? Probably most of them, at least one dish, so I think you're good to go. Just tell them you're a vegan and they will prepare something for you. In most of the cases. Otherwise, just stick with the bread. And of course, in the end, you would say, can I have the bill? Could I have the bill, please? If you want to be more formal. In Icelandic, get ég fengið reikningin? Get ég fengið reikningin? So don't just run out of the restaurant, please pay your bill first. Side note, don't tip, because in Iceland tipping is considered not necessary because it's already included in the meal price. So tipping is not necessary, sometimes even considered rude. So stick with the amount that you have to pay and don't tip. An exception is if there is a specific tipping box, for example, where you can tip, but usually you would not tip. As with all foreign countries and its respective languages, it's always good to be prepared for medical emergency situations. Therefore, here are some basic phrases to use when you feel unwell or when you need help in general. So help, it's just hjálp. Hjálp, hjálp, hjálp. Then somebody will run towards you and ask what's wrong, because Icelandic people are friendly. Hjálpaðu mér would be help me, or geturðu hjálpað mér, can you help me? If you need a doctor, you would say ég þarf lækni. Ég þarf lækni, I need a doctor. Why do you need a doctor? Because I don't feel well. I don't feel well, mér líður ekki vel. Mér líður ekki vel. I don't feel well. Now, some common medical emergencies could include a broken bone, beinbrot, a cold, which is not a medical emergency, but in the worst case you need a hospital too, if it's more like flu. You would say kvef, ég er með kvef, kvefpest. Dizziness, svimi, stomach ache, magaverkur, headache, hausverk, or höfuðverkur, depends on more colloquial or formal, haus or höfuðverkur, or toothache would be tannverkur. So verkur is ache. Now, I feel like it's not necessary to go in depth with more words and phrases at this point, except if you request more words and phrases, then I'm happy to do another video, so just write me in the comments. But generally, you might not remember the words and phrases if you're in such a stressful situation. Also, you won't need a detailed explanation of your problem when talking to a non-medically trained local. So it does not make much sense if you're in the countryside and there is a problem that you tell the farmer or something in detail what your problem is, because you just want a medical professional, a medic or a doctor who can treat you, and those people speak English perfectly well. So also the farmers. So Icelandic people are in general very good English speakers, except from older people. So actually those words and phrases are not necessary for you probably, but it's always good to know some phrases in the local language. Now, if it's not a medical emergency situation, but another emergency situation, maybe you're robbed, or if there is a car accident, then you might need the police, for example. So if you want to say someone please call the police, then you would say hringið á lögregluna, hringið á lögregluna. The police usually speaks English, but some phrases that are probably of interest to you could be if you're robbed, if there's a robbery, it's rán. If there's a theft, then you would say þjófnaður. Theft is þjófnaður. And assault, if you've been assaulted, assault is líkamsárás. Líkamsárás. A car accident is bílslys. Bílslys. And I hope there are no other life-threatening situations you might end in that are illegal. So again, if there is anything that you want to know, any words and phrases that are police and crime related, also feel free to tell me in the comments. I'm happy to do another video. Now you're prepared for various situations in Iceland. Remember, we are a very peaceful country. However, this does not mean that such situations cannot happen. So study your vocabulary, stay safe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye! Now, so after gæti ég fengið this